Welcome to the Newborn Baby Safety Certification course. My name is Anna Brandt, and I am your instructor. This course has launched on July 8th, 2023. It is a 3-week course designed to help any level of a photographer who is specializing in newborns. Whether you're just starting out or you've been around a while, the safety of a newborn is the most important thing when you are capturing their images. Whether you're working at home or in a studio environment, you need to understand all of the different aspects of safety concerns. Whether it's working on a beanbag, using different props, parent posing, sibling posing, just even holding a baby. Making sure that you're doing it correctly and in a safe environment is crucial to your career, as well as keeping the parent's mind at ease. This is a self-paced course. The content is dripping over 3 weeks beginning July 8th. However, you can start at any time and complete at any time. Upon completion and finishing the quizzes and information that has been given to you, you will receive a digital certification as well as a seal that says you've completed a baby safety certification course by Anna Brandt. We have students from around the world. All of our videos will have captions for easy understanding and discussion areas for questions. The content is provided in a way that we think will be accessible and understandable to everybody watching. My hope is that we all elevate the industry with our understanding and deep passion for the safety of newborn babies.